about to eat my favorite meal at Disneyland. It is the mac and cheese dog from the Coca-Cola Refreshment Center, and it is so good. I will show you. Look at that. Like, so yummy. And I got my coffee, and Reed got a chili cheese dog with ketchup and mustard. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now. So these are my hands after I finished my hot dog. It was so good. It took me 2 seconds to finish, but it was messy. Is there anything on my face? Oh, that's good. Nothing? I did it? That's good. I just got the cutest little macaroon. It's a little unicorn. So I'll let you know how it tastes. Reed got raspberry and it was really good. It's okay. It doesn't taste as good as Reed's. Maybe get the raspberry one. I just got apple pie cotton candy, so I'm gonna taste it and see. It kind of just tastes like normal cotton candy. Try a bite. What do you think?
Pure sugar.
Yeah, it just tastes like normal cotton candy. So I would give this like a 1 out of 10 because I don't love regular cotton candy.